Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akil Azura bin Osim. I'm from National Defence University Malaysia, UPNM. In this video, I would like to present my final year project. The topic for the project is Accuracy Assessment on 3D model of all the features derived between unmanned aerial vehicles UAV and terrestrial laser scanner (TLS). Technology nowadays is very important for human beings. As we can see, many advanced technology are being created as want to make people's job become more easier, cut the time, and make the work faster. So, significant of the project is the new technology can replace the conventional method, and you also want to know the most suitable instruments that have the best accuracy in measuring tools. It's either UAV or TLS. Okay, first objective of the study is to generate the outdoor 3D model by point cloud derived with the unmanned aerial vehicles UAV and by terrestrial laser scanner TLS. Second is to compare the accuracy measurement between 3D model of point cloud from unmanned aerial vehicles UAV and terrestrial laser scanner TLS. The methodology for the research as want to make the study plan successfully has been done. So the methodology is in the figure. First, the study will undergo the preliminary study, which is cover literature review, scope of work, problem segments, and objective study. Next, we will undergo the preparation and study. In this section, we will cover the site study, selection equipment, and software installation. For the selection equipment, TLS Leica 360 is being chosen, and for the UAV is DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2. For installation, study will use Cyclone 360, Pitts 4D Mapper, and ArcGIS. Next is data acquisition. In this session, will be divided by two. First is capturing image, and second is scanning. Capturing image will be done by the UAV, and scanning will be done by the TLS. The next step is data processing. In this session, both UAV and TLS will generate a 3D model, but for UAV, it will generate using Pitts 4D Mapper, and for TLS, it will generate use Cyclone 360. For data analysis, measurement of features in 3D model that is being generated by UAV and TLS will be compared with the actual data. So the result in generate 3D model is first, it is being generated by UAV. Second is that is generated by the TLS. Next is the comparison measurement. For the measurement, three features are being selected to measure and being compared. First is drainage, second is slope, third is route. The last one is result. This result will come out with three elements. First 3D model, second comparison data, third is RMSE data. Here as we can see here, the biggest error that is recorded is by TLS, which is at point C in measuring drainage, and the least error is 0.01 that is recorded by UAV at point B. Plus for this study, it will come out with the RMSE data, root mean square error data. As this study, you can see in the graph that has been generated, TLS recorded the biggest RMSE data, which is 5.25 in measuring drainage, and the least RMSE data was recorded by UAV, which is 0.22 in measuring root. Okay, from data, we know that TLS has the biggest RMSE data and UAV has the less RMSE data. For information, the biggest RMSE data you got, the less accurate you have. For conclusion, the objective of this study has achieved. For first objective, the study has shown that UAV and TLS can generate a 3D model, and both outdoor 3D models are very clear and easy to analyze. As the study seen in a comparison table and RMSE data comparison. From the table comparison, we get that TLS data has a big error and UAV data has a least error. Same goes to the RMSE data, which you can see that TLS recorded a high RMSE data compared to the TLS. So that this research can conclude that UAV is more accurate compared to TLS. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you, examiners. And thank you to my supervisor, Sir Safwan, and co-supervisor Dr. Justin in helping me to successful this research. I hope this research will open citizens or engineers' eyes with the technology that can help their job become more easier and cut the time. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks, and I hope you are enjoying watching my videos. Thank you.